Hello, my name is Alistair Heslop. I'm one of the Restoring Relations facilitators, running the session on handling difficult conversations at the Quakers and Business Group annual conference on Friday, the 11th of November. The session will explore approaches to handling disagreement and dealing with conflict in the early stages, so it doesn't escalate, causing problems to organizations and relationships. The session will highlight simple tools we can all use when faced with these difficult situations. We'll be using an approach called spectactor, a community-based education technique created by Augustus Bowl that uses theatre as a tool for learning and transformation. The session is an opportunity to explore a difficult conversation in a safe environment. Spectactor sessions work best when a real-life scenario is brought by a participant. It could be a situation that didn't go as well as hoped, a conversation that didn't happen, but you wish it had, or a conversation you would like to have, but are reluctant to go ahead. Maybe you're concerned about making the situation worse. You don't need to prepare for the session, but if you do wish to know more about the tools and techniques we use, you can find out more at the Restoring Relations website, restoringrelations.org. I look forward to seeing you at the conference.